Hello everyone, in this video I will walk you through the user authentication flows available in the Next SaaS boilerplate. It essentially offers two types of scenarios. The first one is straightforward. Users sign up first and then they are free to subscribe to a paid plan if one is available, of course. This flow works well if your app offers a free trial or is entirely free. On the other hand, if your app doesn't offer a free trial and is 100% paid, there is a different approach. In this case, users pay for their plan first and then proceed to create an account. This approach helps prevent potential revenue loss by shortening the checkout process, unlike other boilerplates that require users to sign up before completing checkout. And what's great about the Next SaaS boilerplate is that it supports both scenarios based on your plans. Okay, let's start by demonstrating the first authentication flow. Users simply go to the sign up page and choose their preferred authentication method. And by the way, if you want to quickly explore the app's features, you can just visit demo.nextsaas.io, where you will have access to the admin, client and affiliates panels or dashboards without going through the usual sign up process. Now getting back to our example, let's sign up using some third-party service like Google or any alternative, and complete the authentication process. The user is immediately directed to the client dashboard. Alternatively, user can sign up, of course, with an email and password. They just enter an email, set a password, confirm it, and click Create Account. A confirmation email is then sent. Click the link in the email to finalize the sign-up process, which brings the user to the client dashboard. We'll cover this side of the app in more detail in another video, God willing. Now, let's explore the pay first authentication flow. That's the second one, where users subscribe before creating an account. Let's imagine I'm a customer who wants to subscribe. I start by selecting a plan and completing the payment. After subscribing, the app sends an account creation link to the email used during subscription. As a user, well, actually I will receive two emails as a user. One with a receipt, and another one with the account creation link. Okay? So to continue, I click the account creation link, which takes me to the authentication page where I can choose any login method, and upon successful authentication, I'm directed to the dashboard. Yeah, that's all. I think, in the plan and billing section, you can see that I'm subscribed to the plan I selected initially. So yeah, that's how the authentication flows work in the Next SaaS boilerplate. I hope this video was helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.